focus on servicing multiple customers, multiple industries. We're forced to use multiple CAM packages, CAD packages. We have to stay current so we can help out our customers. The strategies used in PowerMill surpass what I've used in the past. Cycle time, performance, and quality are extremely critical. Cutting chips is money, saving time is money. Without putting too much time into the strategy itself, the object is to get a part into the machine and get it cut. This machine we're showing today is a DNM 5700s. The S differentiates by having a high-speed spindle and a smooth surfacing package for high-speed machining. PowerMill gave me the best strategies in the least amount of time and the confidence to know that what I put into it the first time, I would get out the first time. The time saving in PowerMill, it's quicker to program, the way boundaries are accepted or created, avoidance geometry. When you rough a part, that's a small portion of the whole job. Sometimes the finishing strategies are the most important and the most time-consuming, and I am totally happy with the way the finishing strategies came out on this part. One of the greater considerations is that nobody touches it again after it's machined. Little to no polishing. Basically, it's ready to go into the mold. Today, we have way more confidence in finishing a part and knowing it's good without maybe even checking it in a CMM. That's what I felt was the best we got out of PowerMill.